Hey, what's going on, guys? Here's a quick tip for you in the key of C major. All right, we'll just do a quick cadence. We'll go 4. All right, you may have heard that before. That's a nice way to end the song. And instead of playing, of course, in the key of C major, we know F sharp isn't in C major. So what we're doing, we're playing the C major, C Lydian scale. So that's where we get our F sharp from D, F sharp and A, and we can end the cadence like this. All the Lydian mode is, or the Lydian scale, is just the 4th of G major. So we have our F sharp, and we have C in there. And we're in the key of C. Hey, why not? Just play that. All right, here's a quick tip. I hope that helps. Any questions, just hit me up in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one.